Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. The topic for today is demonstrative pronouns. In one of our videos, we have already discussed the possessive pronouns. I think you have watched that video, right? In case you haven't, I'll share the link in the description box. So in this video, we are going to discuss the demonstrative pronouns. So let's see what are they. First one, celui. Celui, this one or that one. Celui, this one or that one. We are using it for masculine singular. Celle, celle is also this one, that one, but we are using it for feminine singular. So these one or that those ones, which is masculine plural. Then celle, these one, those one, feminine plural. So demonstrative pronouns are celui, masculine singular, celle, feminine singular, ceux, masculine plural, celle, feminine plural. But all these demonstrative pronouns comes with some suffixes, some prepositions. We need something additional to use it, which I have discussed in the with the examples. So let's discuss with. First, it comes with the suffix si or la. We can use these all demonstrative pronouns with the suffix si or la. Let's discuss how. First one, tu fais faire celui-ci ou celui-là. You prefer this one or that one. Tu fais faire celui-ci ou celui-là. Si we are using for here or near one, la for the other one. Tu fais faire celui-ci ou celui-là. You prefer this one or that one. This one is for masculine singular. Then feminine. Celle-ci est plus belle que celle-là. This one is what is belle? Beautiful. This one is more beautiful than that one. Celle-ci est plus belle que celle-là. So here we are talking about feminine. Then with plural, masculine, ceux-ci sont plus confortables que ceux-là. These ones are more comfortable than that one. That ones. Ceux-ci sont plus confortables que ceux-là. Then feminine plural. Celles-ci sont plus jolies que celles-là. Plural. Celles-ci sont plus jolies que celles-là. These ones are, what is jolly? Pretty. These ones are prettier than those ones. Celles-ci sont plus jolies que celles-là. Right? So this is when we are using all these demonstrative pronouns with si and la. Next one, when we are using them with the relative pronouns qui, que, and do. Let's see. With example, celui qui parle est mon professeur. Professor is teacher. The one who is speaking is my teacher. Celui qui parle est mon professeur. Masculine singular. One more example for masculine singular. Now it's qui, now it's que. Celui que tu as acheté est plus grand. The one you bought is more or is bigger. Celui que tu as acheté est plus grand. The one you bought is bigger. Clear? Then feminine singular. Celle que tu as choisi est superbe. Now we are talking about feminine. The one you chose is superb. Celle que tu as choisi est superbe. This is passé composé. This one is also passé composé. One more example. Celle qui parle est ma sœur. The one who is speaking is my sister. Celle qui parle est ma sœur. So here we are talking about feminine. Singular. Then masculine plural. Ceux qui sont sur la table sont à moi. The ones are on the table are of mine. Ceux qui sont sur la table sont à moi. The ones which are on the table are mine. One more example for plural, singular, masculine plural. Ce que je vois tous les jours sont mes collègues. The ones I see every day are my colleagues. Ce que je vois tous les jours sont mes collègues. Then, feminine plural. Je fais faire celles qui sont en solde. Sold is on sale. I prefer the ones which are on sale. Je fais faire celles qui sont en solde. One more example for feminine plural. Celles que tu as choisies sont parfaites. The ones you chose are perfect. Celles que tu as choisies sont parfaites. These are feminine plural. When we are using these with qui, que and do. Then the third part, when we are using them with preposition de or d apostrophe. Let's discuss with the help of examples. First one. Celui de mon frère est plus rapide. Celui de mon frère est plus rapide. My brother's one is more fast. Celui de mon frère est plus rapide. My brother's one is faster. One more example for singular, masculine singular. Celui de la semaine dernière était meilleur. La semaine dernière, last week. Last week's were better. Last week's were better. Celui de la semaine dernière était meilleur. Or last week's ones were better. Meilleur. This one is était, was or were. Then feminine singular. Celle de Julie est dans le salon. Salon is living room. Julie's one is in the living room. Celle de la Julie est dans le salon. Julie's one is in the living room. Feminine, this is all feminine singular. Celle de ma copine a été vendue. The ones of my friend has been sold. Celle de ma copine a été vendue. The ones of my friend has been sold. Past form. Correct? Then masculine plural. Ceux de mes amis sont partis en vacances. My friends ones are left on vacation. My friends one are left on vacation. Ceux de mes amis sont partis en vacances. The ones of my friends or my friends one left on vacation. One more example for plural, masculine plural. Ceux de Maggie sont sur la table. Maggie's or Mary's ones are on the table. Mary's one are on the table. This is plural here. plural, masculine plural. Then feminine plural. Celles de ma mère sont plus élégants. My mother's ones are more elegant. Celles de ma mère sont plus élégants. Last example. Celle de l'année dernière était meilleure. Last year's ones were better. Last year's ones were better. This is feminine plural. I hope all these are clear. So let's have a recap. So there are 4 demonstrative pronouns: celui, celle, ceux, and celle. Masculine, feminine, masculine plural, and feminine plural. Then they are coming up with the suffix si or la because they cannot stand alone. Then in the second part we have discussed when they are coming up with the relative pronouns qui, que, and dont. Then in the third part we have discussed when they are coming with preposition de. I hope this is clear, and in case you have any queries or questions, you can always ask in the comment box. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.